Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. And today we talk again about CD Projekt, a company I'm personally invested in, my friends. But this is an entertainment information channel. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm also not a financial expert. So, of course, always crunch the numbers yourself, my friends. And obviously, if you were watching my videos and you would have bought a CD Projekt around here, then you would have lost a lot of money, and this will still be a problem, I guess, if you buy those stocks. So guys, putting this aside, let's jump directly into CD Projekt. So, oh my god, what happened? So we found a support line. We found a huge support line, and this is to what is this actually due? What happened? So yeah, we got a lot of announcements. We got a strategy update. So I'm going to make maybe a specific video where I'm going to react to the strategy update. So, but of course I recommend you to watch it on YouTube. So it's very good. So we're getting a lot of new games. You're getting a lot of new Witcher games, a lot of new cyberpunk games, and then maybe what is also important to notice that we are getting a Witcher 1 remake title. So the Witcher remake could be one of the generation most exciting games, says, for example, here some headlines. Or CD Projekt Red announces a remake of The Witcher in Unreal Engine 5. So guys, and I was looking back, I was going back for you here on Witcher, the Witcher Enhanced Edition Director's Cut. So this is already some sort of a remastered version, I think, or is this the original one? So you can look at this game. So I mean, it looks not so bad actually. I back in the days I tried to play it. I didn't like the combat, but very positively rated. So I think I'm going to check it out again to see if I like this game. So you see, even now 533 people online. You can get this game for €1.19, 85% down. So that's actually pretty good. So what does this mean for our stock? What does this mean for CD Projekt? This means actually, guys, that we are since end of August we are going up again. So I mean, I don't want to say I called the bottom, but I was always saying, so we hear that's a strong support to the up and to the down, of course. So from a mere technical perspective, I always said this is we have to watch this. But what I'm still saying, my friends, also if you see this red field here, that's the Fibonacci retracement, and it's really one of the lowest, so it's crazy. So we are of course well below where everything has been kind of destroyed in the chart. So this chart really looks like a finger pointing at you or something like this, guys. So yeah, now it's very important. So if we can break through, if we can break those 125 zlotys permanently, sustainably, then of course higher values are possible, and we might go back to the 180, 190 zlotys, and then I think we will stay there for quite some time, at least until the next bull market comes. So European stocks in general were doing quite fine in the recent weeks, so probably CD Projekt also profited from this. However, always take care, if you invest with euros in CD Projekt, which is Polish zlotys, then there is a risk that you actually, when the Polish zloty is falling more than your euros to, with regard, for example, also to US dollars, that you're actually not going to gain a lot. So this is the currency risk is real when you invest in Polish gaming companies. I really, guys, have to clearly say this here in this video. So I think I was not so aware of this fact until I actually found out that the Polish zloty was even falling with regard to the euros, and then the euro with regard to the dollar. So probably then this point was better for me to invest my money in the euro and US dollar stock. So doesn't matter, guys. So if you like CD Projekt, of course, I mean, you're following this like I do, and of course I'm not recommending anything here. So probably for most people, CD Projekt was an extremely bad investment, because I would say most people are not there in the stock since 2018. Probably a lot of of people got in the stock between 2019 and 20, and then even probably on the top when during the pandemic. So, but it's good what we see here, 3.25% even on Friday. That's already pretty nice, and we had a nice candle up here, and as I said, so this is now a very critical point, so I expect actually that we might even fall down again. So from a substantial point of view, my friends, always it's important. So substantially, a lot is going on, my friends. So therefore I really recommend you to check out this long-term product outlook. So it looks good. Adam Kicinski really gives us some very nice insights what's going on in CD Projekt, and especially they are moving on from the one trick pony policies. They're going to have more games, so that's very important. And then, my friends, also something I just saw, GOG Galaxy. GOG is part of CD Projekt. I'm personally not a big fan of GOG, and I sometimes think they could even stop it, but I don't think it costs so much money to just keep it alive. It's now on Epic Games, so you can download GOG on Epic Games. So I'm going to do this to find out how good it actually then runs. I'm using GOG sometimes to bring all my different launchers together. So, but that's just a little side idea, and the reason why there is at the moment some positive momentum in CD Projekt, and also of course after watching the strategy, I can say there is some very interesting momentum there. So guys, I would say I'm leaving it here. So check out this video. I'm putting you a link to this page, to the strategy, and then you're going to find out a lot of information for yourself. And if you're interested that I make a commentary reaction video to this strategy, then please write it down below in the commentary section. That's always very important. 20 million copies sold. It's already a little bit older, the strategy, but still valuable and still important, my friends. So all right, see you next time. Bye bye.